Here I've got Poptel P8 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then go to the system, which is the last tab. Here you will notice Backup, simply click on it and then activate it by tapping on this switcher. And as you can see now, backup to Google Drive is active, so it's time to add your backup account. Simply click on account to do it. And it's time to log in with your Google account if you have one, and if you don't, click on create account and follow these steps. But I do have mine, so I will log in with HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com and click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is done, click on next. Now you can come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the above terms, click on I agree. And as you can see, backup to Google Drive is active, so just by tapping on I agree, you agree to the processing distributed above the Google services. And that's it. From now on, your backup to Google Drive is active, and this backup includes app and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. Click on OK, and now you can use your device in a normal way, and you can be sure that your data is safe. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.